Hey guys, what's up? So today is 3rd of July and the stock which we are going to analyze is Oro Pharma. So this is the daily time frame of Oro Pharma, and what we can see here is the stock is in good uptrend. So if we just zoom in and apply the Fibo tool from the last swing, this was the last swing, to the highest point, what we can see here is the stock has taken support at the 0.5 levels exactly, and it is trying to go up again, continuing its uptrend. So this is the healthy retracement point, and this can be a good confirmation for us to take trade. But guys, this should not be the only criteria for which you take the trade. So we are going to see other multiple reasons why are we considering this as a good trade. So this was the first point. Now coming to the early time frame of Oro Pharma. Here if we draw a trend line like this and another trend line like this and a pole like this, here we can see that the stock has formed a good bullish flag pattern and also given a breakout as well. So the breakout candle, you can see the volume guys, it is amazing, it is more than average. So that is a good confirmation for us. And bullish flag pattern, I have showed you in many of my videos how beautifully the bullish flag pattern works. So this is the second confirmation. And the third confirmation, if I show you guys, this is the early time frame. Okay, so here we can see that in the short time the stock was making lower highs and lower lows. So it was in a downtrend in the short period, on the shorter time frame. But here when it came down, it created a bottom, tried to go up, again came down, created a second bottom and gave a breakout of the same, and now it is moving up. So it has also formed a double bottom pattern. And those of you don't know, a double bottom pattern is a reversal pattern. Whenever a stock is in a downtrend, it forms a double bottom pattern, and there's a high probability that after the double bottom pattern the stocks perform and goes up. So this was the neckline of the double bottom pattern, and we can see that the stock sustained at the neckline and then showed an up move. So this is the third point, and this is also a good confirmation. So now if we talk about the entry and the exit, so guys, it has given a breakout as we can see, but we are not going to just enter abruptly. We will wait for the retest, and whenever the stock comes down and test this trend line, we are going to enter there. And you guys should watch out for this level guys. I think around this level would be a good buy, because this level has been a resistance for quite a long time, and now it can act as a support. So here we can get entry, a good entry. And if we talk about the RR ratio guys, if we get entry around this level, we can keep a stop loss anywhere around here, and the target will be here. So it is a good 1:1.2 RR ratio. So guys, this can be a good trade. And if you guys have the fear that you're going to lose because there's a chance that the stock can move from here itself, and if you miss that trade, you should not be like, oh shit, I have missed that trade. You should keep control on your emotions. So if you can't, then you can enter here at half of your quantity. Suppose you are going to buy 100 shares, so you can enter with 50 quantities here, and if the stocks come down here, you can again enter in 50 quantities. So this is how you manage your trade, this is how you manage your risk. So this was it guys. I'll give you the confirmations once again. On the daily time frame, it is taking support at the 0.5 level of the Fibo tool. On the early time frame, it has formed a bullish flag pattern and also given a breakout with a good volume. And similarly on the early time frame, it has also formed a double bottom pattern. So this was it guys, this was my analysis on Oro Pharma. Hope you like it and you have learned anything from this. If you have, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload the video guys. Keep supporting guys. Thank you so much.